So what are we doing today?
A live unboxing in the wilderness of
Where are
Hawaii.
we?
Somewhere in the jungle, it looks like. So like I said, we're in the wilderness. We actually have a pair of Jordan 1s over here. A company actually sent this over. It's from Rejuvenator actually. So I was surprised because Rejuvenator doesn't sell shoes. So I was like, what is this doing in my house? But I guess what they want me to do is they want me to unbox this and actually wear these shoes to get them dirty, which I'm already dreading, and I didn't know how to get them dirty. So that's why we're out here to go on a hike and get these things dirty. So here's you guys' look at this unboxing. We do have a Jordan 1 box over here in Nike. And what we actually have is this extremely white pair of sneakers. I think this is the Jordan 1 Take Flights. So yeah, you guys can see over here, super, super white, guys. Like, it's gonna get real dirty, man. We're up here in Manoa Falls. It's gonna get very, very dirty. Anyway, they want me to wear this thing, so I guess I'm gonna just put this on and then get them as dirty as I can. This is all bad. I don't think I've ever hiked in white shoes before. Yeah, these things are gonna get dirty. They said get them as dirty as you can though, so that's what we're gonna do. Un-DS, baby. Un-DS. Okay, here's the start. We'll see how we get at the end. It's kind of interesting that these Jordan 1s actually make for pretty decent hiking shoes. Like, they're kind of like boots, so there's good ankle support. And it's pretty, oh, look, we got mud. Not bad. Hopefully it gets more muddy so we can, so we can ruin these things a little bit more. But yeah, actually not bad hiking shoes. Untied Hawaii endorses the Jordan 1 as an all-terrain shoe. Probably don't use that though, actually. It's get better traction. Oh no, we're getting dirty. Pretty good. Okay. Now that we're at like the steepest incline there is, it's not that steep. Steepest for the trail though. I guess I can talk to you guys about updates and stuff for the channel. So, towards like the end of December, like for New Year's and stuff, we're actually flying into Tokyo. First time out of the country, so super excited. And we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of vlogs and stuff over there. I got like people that I'm gonna meet up with to do like hypebeast shopping, obviously sneaker shopping. It should be pretty fun, man. So a lot of vlogging stuff over there, bring in like all of the winter wear. So shout out to that Adidas puffer we got in the room. Should come in handy. So yeah, that's something to look forward to, guys. Might not be posting as much, but you guys already know Sneaker Mystery Box Friday is gonna be posted well in advance, so no issues there. That is definitely not a waterfall. More like a sprinkle. Oh my god, it's Cody from Hawaii Hangouts. Hi, Cody.
Hi.
For those of you guys that don't know, Oahu is not really like an adventure kind of island, so this is a pretty weak waterfall. If you guys want to see like crazy waterfalls, that's when you go to Kauai. This is the island that I'm from. Hanakapi'ai, really, really badass waterfall. Like, dope. So maybe we'll go travel over there and actually get a video of that one. That would probably get the shoes a lot more dirty too.
How's the shoes doing?
They're not that dirty, actually. I would expect it to be more dirty, but we're looking pretty not so bad. But then again, it's not really like typical Manoa Falls. Usually it's way more rainy, so there's more mud and stuff. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do to get it more dirty.
What are you doing? What is that? What is that?
No, nothing. Don't tell Rejuvenator. It was too nice of a hike, man. I gotta make these things dirty for him. It's a really, really hard hike. I hope they can clean it. That's it for the hike. The shoes got super dirty. It was a really hard hike day. Yeah, you guys can see. Look at how dirty that is, man. Dang, can't believe how crazy that hike was. We really put the wear and tear in on that. What we're gonna do now apparently is send it to Reshoevn8r, and then they're supposed to clean it up or something, and then get this, I guess, back to white. But I don't know. You think that's dirty enough?
No.
No? Should we rip more mud on it? I think this is fine. It's whatever. It was a short hike, man. But yeah, so updates. We are going to Japan at the end of December, so we'll be shooting a lot of vlogs and stuff over there. We'll still keep the sneaker mystery boxes coming though. Those will be like pre-filmed, I guess, obviously. So we'll have them posted so you guys won't miss out on that. I don't want to break the year streak. But yeah, other than that, that's it for this video, and shoots.